Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to our channel, please endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned to watch this video to the end. So guys, as you can see my charts here. All right, this is a chart of VIX 100. This strategy actually works for any chart at all. So this is a 1 minute time frame VIX 100 and it's a live account. Okay, so I actually went with a 0.6 previously, 0.6 two positions, like on this particular account that was a 1.2 lot on VIX 100. So I'm trying to flip this account. So I've already closed the other one because if based on the volatility of VIX 100, if you go into drawdown, I might end up blowing the account. So I'm just trying to avoid that. So let's see how this account flip actually goes, guys. But this is a live account, as you can see. Please, if you are following us, if you are new to our channel and want to hit the like button and also follow us on the Telegram channel, there's a lot happening on the Telegram channel, guys. So far so good. We are in $38 profit, so you can actually see it. It's live. So I've searched for other setups. So I just sold the boom 1000. Now let me just show you guys the chart now. So as you can see, we have a rejection on the 15 minutes. So let me just show you our reason of selling. So we sold based on the 1 minute time frame. We have our moving averages being crossing, the yellow moving average being on top and the blue moving average being below, and the chart is the candles are just in the middle, guys. So with that, you have a clean confirmation for yourself. Let's see how this plays out. Now the VIX 100 has actually retraced a bit, so let's hope that we don't get stopped out at the break even, but the momentum is actually still playing out well. So it's a wonderful strategy. Just practice it after you watch this video. Copy the settings, practice it, and you'll see that you'll be making some wonderful profit from the strategy. So guys, endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us on the Telegram channel too, guys. So let's see how this plays out. So most likely the VIX 100 is actually rejecting the zone, like it's actually rejecting that area, which is vividly clear on the 1 minute, on the 5 minutes time frame. So but I'm on a break even, so there's no point for alarm or any reason to be scared actually. So let's be patient, because trading is all about what? Patience. So you just have to be patient, guys. You just have to be patient. With any given strategy, patience is just a key thing, guys. Patience is just what? The key thing, my people. So without patience, you won't actually be profitable, because once you jump into the trade, you want out. Why? Because you see the market trade and retracing. You want to opt out. So it doesn't actually work like that. You might have a few losing trade, but if you are patient with one trade, you can actually recover everything you've lost. So it's actually a psychological game. So at this point, I can say we are out on a break even for the VIX 100. It's gonna hit us, take us out. So you can see the rejection on the 5 minute time frame. So if I had paid attention closely to that, I think I would have taken the profit. So now let's look at the boom 1000. It's still playing out nicely. So it's still playing out nicely. Let's hope it gives us some good profit. So you've seen it. It's going all the way down, and I'm willing to hold it all the way down. But please, for you guys who don't actually understand some price action, so whenever this strategy gives you an opportunity to take a trade, you should take maybe 10 to 20 candles. You should be satisfied with that, and then you come back later, after you get another setup again. 10, 20 candles, you're out of the market. strategy actually works and how to actually use it. I've shown you how to practically use how I use it myself to be able to grow an account, and I was able to, you saw the trade live happening live on a live account. So no matter the account size, you can still use this strategy, guys. Please pardon me, as at the time of recording this video, I'm not feeling too well, so pardon the audio, guys. So guys, let me show you the settings. Okay, we have the moving average, period 10, shift 5, method linear weight, apply to close, style is to color yellow. Okay, and then when you're done, you just click on done. And the next one, we have a period 20, shift minus 20, as you can see it, shift minus 20, method linear weight, apply to previous indicator data, style is 3 pixel, color green. So this strategy is absolutely good. It's fantabulous. It's working very well. So now you have the strategy and you can actually see the way it is. So you are using it on the 1 minute time frame, and now you zoom in one, you zoom in twice, one, one, two, two. So now you see this now. So now why will you be selling? Okay, now you want to sell. Now the market is moving to the upside. Okay, the market is moving to the upside after the spike. Okay, after the spike, you see the market went to the upside. And now when do you want to be selling? You want to sell when the candle is trading in it has broken the yellow line. Okay, it has broken the yellow line. When the candle has broken what? The yellow line, this yellow moving average, it has broken it, and it's trading in between um the blue moving average and the yellow moving average, or the golden color moving average. So then you sell. You can sell, take your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. You don't have to be greedy at any given point in time. So now there was a spike again. Now there was a spike again. So after the spike, you can actually see now the spike went above what? The gold color moving average. So now you wait for it to come back again and start reading below, in between the yellow or the gold moving average and this. So when it's trading between this, you can just sell again. Then you take your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. You don't have to be greedy at any given point in time. You don't have to be greedy. You don't have to be greedy. You don't have to be greedy. So I said when it's trading, see now you see it wasn't trading. At this point, you can actually filter this error. Okay, it was not trading below. It wasn't trading below because it has not gone far enough. But even if you have entered, you could have gotten your 10, your 20 candles. Okay. Now let's look at this. Let's look at this. It has to trade below. It has to trade. So now it breaks the what? It breaks let's look at it critically. So now it breaks the golden moving average. Okay, there was a spike again, and now let's say you was selling in between here, where we have this below this. So you can just sell here, take your 10, your 20 candles, you're out of the market. You will always profit with this strategy, guys. You always profit. So now look at another one. Look at another one. So you have this one below. It has this one is now below. You can just sell, take your 10, 20 candles, and you're out of the market. So this strategy actually works very well, guys. It works very, very well. So I advise you practice it, test it very well before you actually start trading with it. Okay, guys, because I don't want any complaints that I blew my account. You just have to like understand how the strategy works, guys. So you can just go for a 10, your 20 candles. And if you count this now, we have more than 20 candles at this point. So now let's count. Let's count. I'm coming, guys. Sorry. So now let's count these numbers of candles. Okay, I think we're so ahead. Now let's count these numbers of candles. So after the cross, we have this below, this above. So now let's count. You rent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Even at that, you could have just gotten out. So you don't have to be greedy, guys. You don't have to be greedy. You don't have to be greedy, guys. You don't have to actually be greedy at any given point in time. So now this one is absolutely okay to work fine. So you could have gone for your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. So it's trading between these, all right, and this. So this is above, this is below. You could have just entered around this area, and then even after the spike, just wait for it. If it doesn't spike, if it's once spike, let's say like it's, for instance, now let's say after the spike, if the spike continues and proceed to the upside, you close. But after the spike, what happened? It was held between by the yellow moving average. It's still held there. You could have just held. Let's say you sold somewhere here. You could have just held, and then you could have just come out at some massive profit. So now let's look at Crash 1000 together. Let's look at Crash 1000 together because we're looking at 1000. This strategy absolutely works very well, guys, without any complications. So now let's see. We have this spike to the downside, very momentous, okay? And then now what happened? We have the candle coming back, all right, and trading between, let me just change this color. Okay, let me see. All right. So now we're trading between this and this. We're trading between this and this. So at this point now, you can just buy, go for your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. So after the spike, you wait for it to be in between the golden moving average and the green moving average. You just would take your buys. So same thing happened here. Same thing happened here. Okay. So after the spike, you wait for the market to trade between the green moving average and the good moving average. You can just take your buy. But there was a spike though, and it was a very big spike, but still yet you have been able to still been profitable. So this strategy works, guys. It really works, guys. So now we have a spike. We have a spike, okay, to the downside. We have this momentum spike to the downside, and now this is it in between, okay, in between. This is riding above. This is riding what above, and this is riding below. Okay, you can just take your buy, and then you take your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. It works. This strategy actually works, guys. So this is above, this is below. You can just take your buys, right? Take your 10, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. Please, guys, endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe so that you keep getting more and more wonderful content like this one. Stay blessed, guys.